Hello my dear friends and students. Today we are discussing the business economics as a principal economics. The code is BBA N103. For BBA first semester we have to study. In this subject we have to study 5 units. The syllabus is divided in 5 units, which is studied for 6 semester, for first semester for 6 months. Okay, so now we have to come with the unit first. In unit first we have to study the definition, nature, scope and limitations of the principle of economics in terms of business or in relation with the business administration. We all know that where 6 economists are standing together, then always 7 opinions are there. Now we all know that economics is an principle of science or depends on science because of classification, tabulation, collection, etc. It is a systematic process. So we all say that the economics is an science, but the presentation of data, collection of data and analysis of data is an art. Means in a way where these informations are understandable for each or common person, then the presentation of economical data is an art, and collection analysis is an science also. Now the relevance of economics in business management, utility analysis, marginal theories of utilities, equimarginal theories of utilities, all are studied in our first unit, and after that we have to come for second unit. In second unit we have to learn the meaning of demand, law of demand. You know that if the price high means demand high. Okay, price high means demand high. If a quantity is demanded, then price is also demanded. But the effect of demand is calculated by different laws, such as laws of demand and elasticity of demand. Types of measurement: price, income and substitution effect. You know elasticity of demand. The analysis of demand with respect to price, income and substitution effect. Consumer equilibrium and surplus is also there, which we have studied in unit second. Now in unit third we have to study the meaning of production and analysis. You know meaning of production? Production means the increasing the value of input, raw material, in finished goods. Conversion of inputs, raw materials in finished goods. The process is called known as production. In production function we have always different types of inputs: man, material, machine, etc., by which we have to find the final products. And what are the laws of productions? Laws of increased returns, law of constant returns, law of equal product costs, producer equilibrium. All the related terms to the productions and production process we have to study in unit third. After this we have to come with the unit fourth. In market analysis we always analyze or study about the market, nature of market, how many types of market. We all know that the markets are in 2 types of competitions. There is perfect competition and imperfect competition, by which the different types of market structure. First is the perfect competition market structure, second is monopoly, oligopoly, monopolistic competitions. All are there, we have to study in unit 4. After this, what is the pricing under the different market structures? Okay, and the price discrimination under monopoly competition. These terms are studied in the unit 4th also. And the last unit is theory, unit 5. in which we have to study with the theories of factor pricing versus product pricing, theories of rent, theories of interest, theories of wages, and theories of profit. We all know that the factor pricing meanings are there, rent, interest, wages, profit, loss, etc. are the factor pricing theories. Okay, so we all are studying in the different terms, that is rent, interest, wages, profit, under this unit 5. Okay, so it is all about the syllabus of BBA first semester, which we have to study in our next semester in BBA first semester. Okay, so keep watching and thank you for study.